So at the end of last school year, I realized I was tired of washing dishes and I was gonna need a new job. So I happened to know this girl whose dad was the general manager of a company called Shorecom, and they do wiring. So I've learned a little bit of tricks along the way, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to hook up an outside switch. First things first, I'm going to show y'all the tools required to get the job done. So you're going to need a big old Hilti drill. You're going to need a DeWalt with a drill bit in it. You're going to need a DeWalt with a Phillips head bit in it. You're going to need the horn. You're going to need the horn base. You're going to need screws and anchors. You're going to need whiteout to mark the holes on the base. And you're going to need the wing nut to hold the horn in place. You're also going to need an 8-foot ladder. So you need a glow rod, also called a push rod. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, let's get to work. A lot of slack, hold up. So this is what you don't want to do. A lot of slack. So once the hole is drilled, you're going to put a glow rod through the hole, and that's how they're going to attach the wire, and that's how the wire comes through. So then you want to pull enough slack to work with, about right there. There's a nice pull. Alright, so now we got to mount the base. This is where the whiteout comes in handy.
Snowing.
So next, put in the anchors. I would need the impacts to hang up the base. Technical difficulties. So, sorry about that. Now for the horn. We're gonna need to splice the wire. All right, now the copper's shown. You're gonna want to take the copper and wrap it around your screw. And then tighten the screw. And then at the end, make sure you trim off the excess copper. Not going anywhere. After that, you have to put the faceplate on to keep it from getting water inside. These little screws ain't no joke. Make sure the wire's laying flat. There we go. I don't really know how that protects water from getting in because there's a hole right here, but it does. Awesome design. Now it's time to hook up the actual horn. Well, to mount the horn. So once the bolt is through, you're gonna wanna attach the wing nut. And then aim the horn over there. And then final step, push the wire back in. Okay. There we go. Looks nice and neat. And that is how you hook up an outside horn.
Pipe it up, 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 pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get a regular hotel, I pipe it up. Buy a bando, then I pipe it up. Pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to wait so I two-tone